So friends, I lost 55 pounds in 4 months, and today I'm going to be showing you the items from Costco that helped me go from 215 pounds to 160 pounds. Don't forget to get those samples. I try to get my protein from Costco since it's a wholesale. I got 3 pounds of salmon. I also picked up some ground turkey. These come in 4 packs. And turkey breast. This one is 99% fat-free. Chicken breakfast links, 3 links for 130 calories. I got some chicken breast. And for the nights that I'm rushing, I got some grilled chicken strips. White shrimp, which I'm going to be pairing with this stir-fry vegetable blend. Low-carb tortillas. These have 70 calories per tortilla. Organic everything bagel chips. I like to have them with this avocado mash. Each cup only has 90 calories. Great snack. This bread is pretty good. Only 40 calories per slice. High fiber. The Laughing Cow is one of my favorite snacks. Only 30 calories per wedge. Some basil pesto for chicken. Egg whites are a must, and I love pairing them with turkey breast. String cheese, 80 calories per unit. Picked up some Chobani yogurt, almond butter. These sweet potato crackers are pretty good. 16 pieces for 140 calories. Kirkland protein bars, low in sugar, pretty tasty. And I needed to finish up with some ice cream. These bars only have 100 calories.